Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to change door hinges without removing this entire door. The first thing you want to do is look at your old hinge. You want to see if these are called leaves on either side, and you want to see if your leaves are rounded or if they are square. Then you also want to see how many screws are on each side. Now this one is rounded and it has 3 screws. So your replacement hinge needs to be the exact same size, it needs to have the rounded edges, and we need to have 3 screws on either side. And then all we're gonna do is just take your drill and remove the old hinge. Now, once you have your screws removed, you may need to give it a little tap with a hammer. As you can see, this one has some paint on it, so it may be stuck a little. Just go from the back. And you can just kind of tap it out of place. You also want to look on your hinge. You'll see that you have like a top of a pin on one side, and then on the other side it looks like there's a hole where the pin is inside of your hinge. You want to make sure and install this with the top of the pin upward. Now you want to make sure that you install your replacement hinge correctly. It will only close in one direction, and that is the way that you want to install it, so that your door will close all the way. Because if you try to fold it the other direction, as you can see, it won't close. And if you were to try to install that, that means your door would stop. It wouldn't shut all the way. So we want to make sure that it's folded. And then all you want to do is just take your screws, and you want to line this up where the old existing hinge was. And then you will just put your new screws in. And then you're just going to repeat this on the other side. Now you want to make sure that this is flush on either side. If it isn't, you can give this a little tap with your hammer to get it back into the door butts or the indentions where the hinges go. And that's it. And you'll just repeat that for the other 2 hinges on the door. If you enjoyed the video today or found it useful, how about a thumbs up? Or if you'd like to see new videos posted weekly, don't forget to subscribe. Or maybe you've got a project that you need some help with. Hit me up with some comments. Thanks once again, guys, for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.